back to another episode, guys. Super excited about today. Today we're at a new lake I've never kayaked before. This is a Pineview Reservoir. Today I'm hoping to get into a whole bunch of crappie and maybe even one of the elusive Tiger Muskies. We'll see how that goes, but we are here. We got to get our boats put together, our kayaks put together, then we got to cart them down. This water is absolutely beautiful. Look at this cool little swing here. It's a cool little spot. It's pretty cool. So anyways, let's get on it. All right, guys, we got the boat all put together. We got the kayak with all the accessories on it, all the stuff. Today we're gonna be going out with the crew. We got Robert, Juan, and a new guest. His name is Brian, and he just barely picked him up a brand new Old Town Autopilot 120. So I think today is actually his maiden voyage. So I'm pretty excited and stoked for him. He's in for a treat. These boats, kayaks are amazing. Heck yeah, we are on the water. You know, this lake holds a lot of bass, so I think I could go ahead and start off just for the fun of it with the top water bait. Yeah, let me show you. It's this guy. It's got the two blades on there. I can't remember what it's called, but it's kind of got the two blades that act a lot like the whopper popper. So we'll just go ahead and throw this out, a couple casts just for the fun of it. Watch a big old Tiger Musky nail it. That would be so cool. That'd be so fun. One thing nice is the water temperature is at 55.59 degrees right here, so hopefully the bass will be a little bit more active. So cool for like a 40-inch Tiger Musky nail this topwater. That'd be so fun. All right, I think I found the crappie. There's a good school of them ahead of me, about 50 feet that direction. They're not that deep right now, and it's like really, really calm. So I don't want to like hover over the top of them quite yet, because I want to be able to like not, I don't want to scare them. So we'll go a little farther, get it to where they're like 30, 40 foot in front of me, and then cast to them and let my jig fall to them. All right, we'll go ahead and try that. Got it. Yeah. Oh, I got it. Let's see what he is. Let's see what he is. It's a catfish. It looks like it's a bullhead. Check it out, or a mudcat, I guess, if you will. Check him out. He got me. I'm bleeding. He's fighting back. Yeah, I think all these over here are just like catfish. I want to find the schools of crappie. Like just chill over the top of them and bring them in. But I'll take it. A fish is a fish, right? Fish is a fish. We got it. Nice little catfish. Cute little whiskers. At least we didn't get skunked, right?
How's it going, Kevin?
Good. I'm just calling to get an update, see how you're doing.
I'm good. I'm kind of in this little bay right here, kind of where we launched. There's crappie all up in here.
Are you catching them?
Yeah.
I'll come back in your way, but I'm out here right now, so I'll try this first and then come in.
Sounds good.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, bye.
So Juan's been nailing them. Oh yeah, I got one. Oh yeah. What? It's another catfish. Oh my goodness. I found, I think, a school of catfish. Oh, there he goes. I didn't know that they spawned or schooled up like that. That is crazy. Got another one. Let's see if this one's a cat. Oh, it's another catfish. This is a school of cats. That's actually pretty amazing. You got another. Ooh, got him. This one looked a lot bigger. Oh my gosh. I think I got a Tiger Musky. Oh, oh my gosh. I think I got a Tiger Musky because he's huge. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, oh my. He's just going. Oh, there we go. I only have 6-pound test line on, but this thing was huge. Okay, I think I see my lure. Let's see what it is. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Another run. He was hanging around all these little catfish. Yeah. Come on. Oh yeah, I can see him. Uh-oh. It's not a muskie. I snagged a carp. Darn it, I thought it was gonna be a muskie. Regardless, this is a big carp. Oh, there he goes. Oh my. Got him. Whew. Holy smokies. Let's see if we can't get him undone. Darn it, I thought it was gonna be a Tiger Musky. Oh. Check him out. Big old carp. Oh no. No, don't flop around, bud. Don't flop around. I got you. Oh yeah. You know, it's only a fish a mother could love, right? Big old fish. Let's get another picture of him. Yeah, sounds like Juan is still nailing the crappie over there. They're up in the shallows. So I'm gonna head on back that direction. Hopefully we can get a multi-species day. I mean, we already caught the catfish and the carp. I thought, oh, I swear that was gonna be a Tiger Musky because there was one big old fish, one big mark, just circling these the big school of fish. You got another one! Yeah! All right, Juan has found us the crappie, so we will see if we can't catch one or two of them. You got another one! Dude, Juan is killing it over there. What the heck? Juan is killing it. I gotta get my line out. I got tangles and stuff. Oh, I'm trying to tie on my jig. And he's just reeling in fish.
Another one.
What the heck? Juan is destroying them.
Back to back to back to back to back.
No kidding.
It's this little guy.
Oh, yeah, okay. I just threw on a, oh cool, just any smart, sort of small head. Is what he says is the magical treat, or the magical bait right here today. Try it out. See if we can't find some fish and catch some. Ooh, there's some fish. Right by Juan. Let's see if I can't catch him. Ooh, got him. Ooh, I had him on. Let's see if he comes back. Oh yeah, got him. We got ourselves, oh yeah, we got a crappie. Oh my gosh, these are good ones. Look at them. Come on now. Juan has taught us how to catch the crappie. These things are so cool. Crappie on. All right, I found a string. There's like hundreds of them, if not thousands. Oh, I'm already getting nailed. Oh, just like that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got another one. Not quite as big as that last one. That last one was a chunky one.
Right there.
Well, I just got that one too.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo! Going down to them, and they're attacking it right now. They're coming after it.
Yeah.
Oh, there is another. Oh my gosh, these are chunky. Like, look at these things. Like, honestly, like now that's a fish. Awesome, guys. Let's let him go. Yeah. We can sit here all day catching these crappie, huh? Crappie on. Or some call crappie. Oh yeah, every cast. Oh yeah, doubled up. Juan's got one too. There you go. It's like they grab it. You don't even know they're biting on it. You just feel a little weight. Got him. Yeah. They're slabs, man. Oh, there he goes. Another. Got him. Holy cow, these guys are big crappie, man. I mean, look at these guys. These things are awesome. There he goes. Another slab. I got one too. Unbelievable. There we go. Oh, here he is. Oh man, these are big. Look at this. Big old crappie. That one's picture worthy there. There it is. Oh my gosh, these are huge. Like, look at the size of these things. It's like I almost, all right, that's it. I'm keeping some. I'm gonna keep them. I'm making tacos, dang it. These are too good to pass up. There it is. Yeah. We'll just keep some of the bigger ones. Let him go. There it is. Another small one. Got him. Oh yeah, this one feels like a taco. A little smaller.
Black.
Ah, nice.
The black. Thanks, Juan. Oh, you got
There
it
it
right
goes.
there.
Got him. Oh, there's another jumbo. Another taco. Look at these guys. Look at the size of this thing. Oh, such a nice fish. Oh my gosh, these are chunky. Like, look at these things. Like, honestly? Like, now that's a fish. There we go. It's like non-stop. This one feels little. Yeah, a little smaller. This is just too fun. Another slab. Yeah. Awesome. Oh yeah, every cast. Oh yeah, doubled up. Juan's got one too. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I were to keep anywhere from that 10 to 12, I think I'd be pretty happy. Make a pretty good meal out of that. There it is. This one feels good. Yeah, that's a good one. Holy smokes. Oh, there we go. Double up. You look at those guys. There it is. We'll let him go. We look at them. They're just right below me. See if we can't catch him. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. There's so many of them. Oh, I got another. Like, look at all those fish. Unbelievable. There it is. There's 15. I don't need to take home anymore. There it is. Look at that thing.
12 1/4. He's chunky.
Heck yeah.
He's got some meat. He'd make a great taco.
He really would.
He'd make a great taco.
Robert's got him. All right, guys, we're gonna have to let you go to check out this haul. Oh yeah, got myself 15 fish. Limit is 20. So we're gonna go home and cook up some nice tacos and enjoy having a meal with the family. So. So a big shout out to our buddies Juan, Robert, and Brian for coming out kayak fishing with me. It was super fun. We always have a good time when we're all together. So I'm super excited to have family over tonight to have this fish fry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you could do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. It would make my day. With all that being said, guys, stay safe. We'll see you on the next one.